Hi guys! So this is again the place where I graduated high school. So grabe, kitang-kita ang ganda ng Benitez Hall talaga, no? So I miss my graduation here. So this is a memorable place to us because this is where we graduated. So on Monday, I will be first year college already. Thank you Lord, nakalagin na ako sa PWU account. Okay na, no? So that's the court. Hindi ko alam nasan si alumni, nasan si Ate Lea ngayon, si Teacher Lea. Kasi hindi ko nga alam nasan siya. Gusto ko na siyang makausap at makita rin. Si Teacher Lea wala pa lang ngayon, the time I go. Hopefully magkita-kita tsaka sabay na rin kami ni Teacher Lea kumain ng lunch or para masaya dahil maganda siya.